Hey everyone, so I was sent some clip-ins for my personal review, and right now I'm just showing you a few before and after photos. So as you can tell, they look really natural and they blend super well with my relaxed hair after I flat ironed it. It instantly made my ponytail longer. So this is what the packaging looks like right here when you first get it in the mail. And once you open it up, there's going to be a thank you card. And then the company is AmazingBeautyHairExtensions. I'll make sure to put their information down in the description box. It comes with the hair, some eyelashes. These are really cute. A wide tooth comb, some extra clips, and then it comes with this little instruction sheet on how to take care of your hair as well as how to wash it and things like that. So that definitely will come in handy for people who are new to clip-in extensions. So this is what the hair looks like right out of the box. Of course it has some bends and things because it's been in the box, but I used a heated appliance. I used like a heated brush and I just brushed through it a few times with that and it straightened it out like perfectly. I'll show you in this next clip. So this is what it looks like after I use the straightening brush to get the little kinks and things like that out of there. Okay, so basically these next few clips, I'm just gonna show myself installing the clip-ins row by row. One of the things that I really liked about these clip-in hair extensions, I thought that I wasn't gonna like it, but the fact that it's kind of low density, when I first opened it, I was like, okay, this is not a lot of hair, but actually that's what makes it look more natural, that it's not a lot of hair. And you'll see, like, once you see the final results after I put all of the clip-ins in, I even had family members and my co-workers, they were like, is that your hair, Sparkle? And I was like, yeah, it's my hair. And then I went ahead and told them, I was like, no, these are some clip-ins. But it's just the fact that they saw me a few days ago and they still were confused because the clip-ins looked so natural. And that's what I really, really liked. Once I flat iron my relaxed hair, it literally just melts into my hair. As you can see the left side is my natural length, and then the right side, it just added, you know, more length to it. It didn't make it big or bulky or anything. It just definitely gave me the length that I should have anyway. This is like the perfect length right here, and it definitely it matches perfectly. Definitely matches perfectly. So that's really something I liked about these hair extensions. What I actually did, I wore them about 3 or 4 days, and before I even removed them, I just slept in them. I know a lot of people don't agree with that, slipping with the clip-ins in, but you know, I didn't have any issues or any problems, so I just literally left them in my hair for about 3 or 4 days and just put my bonnet on at night and took it off in the morning, and I sprayed a little liquid leave-in conditioner each morning, combed it out, and I was literally like good to go. At the end of this video, you're gonna see me put it in a ponytail. I think I wore these clip-ins for maybe about 5 days maybe. And towards the end, I got tired of wearing it down, so I actually wore them in a ponytail, and I'm gonna show you those clips at the end of this video. But now I'm just applying the clip-ins to the back of my head. They're super easy, super quick to put in. Like literally, you could put these in 5 minutes and be ready to go. Be ready to leave the house. I'll put extra details down in the description box, but if I'm not mistaken, I think the whole set came with about 6 or 7 clips, like different clip-in hair extensions. So that was more than enough for just, you know, that bit of added length that, you know, I would love for my hair to be. Now there was one clip-in in the pack that only had 1 clip on it, and I was trying to figure out where to put that, and as you can see, I just went ahead and put that in the crown of my hair right there. fits in perfectly. It doesn't look bulky or anything like that. And this is basically the finished product right here. This is basically how it looks once all the clip-ins are applied. Super cute, super natural, low density, so it's not like so obvious. Like, I had so many people, you guys, asking me, was this my hair? Like, it was ridiculous. It fits so perfectly. I had a lot of fun with these hair extensions. Like, I wore them almost a week. I had a lot of fun, and I'll definitely be washing them, conditioning them, and wearing them again. This is what it looks like from the back. Like, you literally cannot even tell. Can y'all tell? Y'all would not have known if y'all didn't see this video that this was not my hair. Come on now. And I was definitely feeling myself. I was like, yes, this is so cute. You can wear it in a low ponytail. And then I'm showing you where my hair is. The short pieces, that's my hair. And then the longer pieces are the hair extensions. And it flows together effortlessly, seriously. Then here's the clip right here where I wore my hair in a ponytail for like the last day or two that I wore the clip-ins. And even pulled up into a ponytail, you still cannot tell that the clip-ins are even there. There's no bulkiness or anything in the hair. There's no lumps, nothing showing out, nothing peeking through, nothing. I even had like one of my family members, they were like, how did your hair grow so fast? And I was like, girl, you just seen me the other day. You know this ain't my hair. But I wasn't gonna tell everybody that. Now, is this not like, this ponytail just was like giving me life. Cause this is like such a beautiful length of ponytail to have. So I definitely wore that for a few days and had fun with that. Here's a close-up shot just to show you what it looks like up a little bit closer and everything. And make sure you use the discount code or you go visit the website if you'd like more information on these clip-in hair extensions. I really enjoyed them and I just want to share it with my subscribers. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.